management is what we've been taught with the kids, and that's not what this is. Behavior management, in my mind, is you give a child displays a behavior. You don't think that behavior works. You tell the child, if you do it again, here's your consequence. The child doesn't care because they just want the behavior and they want the attention. They do the behavior. You give them the consequence they don't care about. They got the attention that they really wanted. And then 10, 15, 20 minutes later, half hour later in the afternoon, they want the attention again. They do the same behavior. So you're managing the behavior. You're not doing anything to eliminate it. You're keeping it going. Okay? For example, imagine that you're a waitress at a restaurant, and there's a new bartender, and that bartender is gorgeous. I mean, whatever you deem, like somebody, I want to get an idea, like somebody tell me, like who is somebody in life that you think is gorgeous, and your husbands and your boyfriends and your girlfriends are not here, so you don't have to lie and take that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, cool. All right. So who's somebody that's gorgeous? Bradley Cooper. Okay, who else? Brad Pitt. Who else? Okay, awesome. So just picture that person, okay? Hey, picture them, or you can take one of your own, or whatever it is. Some people are just like, I don't really want to tell. Okay, so that person the bartender looks like that person. So now you're a waitress, and all that you're single, or married, whatever, live life, whatever. And all of a sudden, you go to the bartender, and you bring him a drink order, or her a drink order, and the bartender doesn't look at you, just takes your drink order, goes like this, goes like that, leaves your ass, the whole entire thing, puts the things back in, goes to the thing next, and moves on to the next one. You take your drinks, you bring it back to your tables, and then you're good to go. Bartender gave you no attention. You go, second round, you get all the drinks, you bring it over, you bring it faster. You bring it faster, you do a better job. Here you go, you have it all lined up perfectly. Bartender goes like this, takes the drink order, makes all the drinks, puts the drinks on your tray, and then you're gone. Still no attention. Third time, you're getting frustrated. All of a sudden, you make a mistake on the order, and then all of a sudden, the bartender makes a mistake, and then you come back and go, oh, I'm sorry, I asked for the wrong thing, and the bartender looks up at you, makes eye contact, looks at your name tag, the eyes are like twinkling, looks at your name tag, and says your name, and then says something like, you need to do this, because like how we are with the kids. You need to do blah, 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 blah. The kid's like, I don't understand what you're saying. Like, you need to make sure that blah, 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 blah. And now the bartender's yelling at you. He's getting to you, getting passionate. They're making eye contact. They know your name. From that point on, how do you get the bartender's attention? By making mistakes. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.